Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor, and in this class I'll show you the fun and easy way to enter into the world of watercolors. Watercolor sketching is a great stress-free way to get started and learn basic techniques, as well as getting you familiar with turning reference photos into paintings. By the end of this course, you have the confidence and skills to understand how to sketch simple and vibrant landscape scenes from any reference photo. This class contains 8 full demonstrations of varying complexity. I'll walk you through how to complete each painting step by step as you follow along. It can be difficult as a beginner knowing where to get started, what to paint, so we're going to get straight into it and have some fun painting these loose watercolor landscapes together.